It has been another hot and steamy day across Delmarva. It seems like we can't really catch a break from this heat. Now, we are going to finally get some cooler weather next week. I'll have more on that in just a few moments. But first, let's take a look at our Tidal Health camera in Salisbury, where you can still see the road looking a little wet from that rain that we had earlier this afternoon and evening. But first, I want to talk about that heat. We did reach a high of 88 in Georgetown today. Now, that wasn't exactly record-breaking, but it is definitely above the average of 82 degrees. Even our low temperature, the normal, is for 63 degrees. We've seen a temperature of 71 as our low. That was at around 8:38 this evening. Now, let's take a look at that rain activity that we saw earlier this afternoon and evening. Quite a bit of rainfall across Sussex County, though not everybody did pick up on this rain. We did see the most amount of rainfall out of Bridgeville at a little bit over an inch, whereas in Georgetown, well, we managed to pick up about a trace of rainfall, but don't worry, we do have a little bit more of rain on the way this week. Tonight, though, that rain is over. We are going to see those mostly cloudy skies, temperature at around 71 for a low, with a little bit of patchy fog developing through the early morning hours. The reason for that is we have these very muggy conditions. So when our dew point and air temperature meet, that's when you get fog, and we are going to see that dew point close to 70 degrees. Even the rest of this week, you'll notice that dew point between 65 and 70, and that is right around where our low temperature is going to be as well. So you can expect some morning fog for much of this weekend and next week as well. Let's take a look at your forecast for tomorrow. We are going to see those temperatures a little bit cooler than today, about 80 degrees by 2 p.m., but we are also going to be dealing with those scattered showers and thunderstorms again. So let's take a look at that future radar image. This is about 8 a.m. Sunday. Western Sussex County is going to be dealing with a little bit of that shower activity, and that is going to be spreading eastward as we head into midday and onward. We'll still see a few showers in the evening time, but overnight, I think it's going to be mostly quiet. And then come Monday, we see another chance for some rain and thunderstorm activity. Now, let's shift over to the tropics. I am still keeping a close eye on Hurricane Lee, which is currently a Category 2 storm, still expected to strengthen back up to a Category 4 and then weakening. But I know the real question is, where is it going? Well, it's still pretty far out, still a little bit uncertain, but it seems like we are coming into agreement that its track is going to stay away from the East Coast. We are still expecting impacts in the form of those strong rip currents and that high surf. So still a potentially dangerous situation out in the waters, but as of now, it does look like that storm is going to stay away from the coast, at least those direct impacts. Now, here's a look at your Paul Davis Restoration and Home Remodeling 7-day forecast. Those showers and thunderstorms still expected for tomorrow, especially during the afternoon. Monday, looking at that as well. And then next week, notice those temperatures in the 70s by the middle of the week and onward.